Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, or what I've done, I planted a small tree sapling and a tree start, and I'm gonna use one of these Groasis, Groasis water boxes to hopefully give it a better chance of starting. These are pretty cool in that what they're meant to do is, so if you were reforesting an area away from irrigation or whatever, it's really hard for the trees to get going, especially in a drier environment. So what this thing does, like if there's heavy dew or light rain, it collects, in this catchment area here, and then it's collected through that, and then it goes down below this into this tank, this reservoir, and with the idea being it holds up water. I'm not sure if you can see this one in the video, but there's one here that's got water in it, and then over a longer period of time, the water, I'm not sure if you can see that piece of rope there, the water leaches from the inside, from the reservoir. It leaches down through the bottom here and into the area where the plant can get water from the tank, and it keeps it moist down there, and it gives the plant a much better chance of surviving and doing well. However, now we've used these before, and it really didn't work very well. Like I've done 3 so far this morning, and in each of the 3 there's been tons of water in the tank. However, it's been almost dry underneath it where the plant needs it, and I think the reason for that is somebody manufactured it wrong, and when I say that is that they used put it there so you can see it, they used a plastic poly rope of some sort as the wicking medium, and it just doesn't seem to be working. So I'm going to change these out, get rid of the plastic one, and I'm going to use some cotton. It's actually just cotton string, like you use in cooking and stuff, but I've strung, doubled it over and made it a bit thicker so I can pull it down through the hole. Okay, and now I should have a much better wicking medium, and I don't know how long it'll last, maybe a year, but that's probably what's needed, because it wasn't working before. So we slide that down over there. I'm not going to use this. This is another thing that comes with the Groasis. I believe it's just a way to keep the weeds from coming up through there. Put that in. Land that. This one in. There we go. It's kind of tricky, but I think I got that. It's going to be good. So then I just have a couple of plugs to put in. There's one. I'll get the other 2 put in. I don't know where they are. So yeah, hopefully this is going to work a lot better than it did before.